Start with equilibrium. The equations of motion say the conditions are simply that the total force and the total torque on the body both vanish. Since the torque is independent of the origin when the total force is zero, any origin will do. When two bodies in contact move relative to each other, friction appears alongside the reaction. There are two kinds of motion, sliding and rolling. In sliding, the reaction is perpendicular to the surfaces and the friction is tangential. Pure rolling is quite different. There is no relative motion at the point of contact, so at every instant the rolling body is as if fixed to that point. The reaction may then point in any direction, and rolling friction appears as a torque opposing the roll.